Without genuinely receiving blessings, the tender shoots of experience and realization will not grow. If realization does not dawn from within, dry explanations and theoretical understanding will not bring the fruit of awakening. To put it simply, unless we blend our own mind with the Dharma, it is pointless merely to adopt the guise of a practitioner. Restricting ourselves to only basic sustenance and shelter, let us regard everything else as unnecessary. Practice Guru Yoga. Pray with single-minded attention and direct all virtuous actions to the benefit of all beings, your very own parents. Whatever you encounter, be it happiness or sorrow, good or bad, regard it as the kindness of the lama. In the expanse in which self-knowing rigpa arises spontaneously, free of all grasping, rest and relax, without contrivance or fabrication. Whatever thoughts arise, recognizing their essence, allow them all to be liberated as the display of your own intrinsic nature.